Morning YouTubes, here we are on location at a local soccer field today. We are going to be testing out today the course lock of the Mavic Air, and this is called tap to fly and the free tap to fly, the free setting and the tap to fly. What that is, you basically tell the Mavic Air where you want to go. We're hopefully going to tell it to go straight ahead, and once we do that we can change the yaw without disrupting the actual flight path of the Mavic Air. So we're going to set the Mavic Air off straight down the field, and then we're going to attempt to yaw so we can look at these lampposts. We're going to see how far we can yaw. I don't know if you can yaw all the way around because the camera's not looking, so does it still know? We will find out. Stay tuned. You can see the device here. Let's go into tap to fly, free, and we're going to choose those trees over there. Go. It's going. Now we're going to turn the yaw towards the lights. We're going to keep on turning the yaw, keep on turning the yaw. Let's stop right there. Now let's turn the yaw back. Okay. And it's still going towards the tree, so that's great. Stop right there. And I believe that worked successfully. So let's turn it around and we'll do the same thing coming back. So let's move it over this way. Let's go above the trees. I'm going to turn it around towards me. And we're going to tilt it down a little. And we're going to do the tap to fly again. We're going to press on the car. Let's go. And away it goes, and it's descending. Now let's use the yaw. Wrong way. Yaw to the right. So it's descending, it's coming straight. Is it coming straight towards me though? Too bad. Stop right there. You can see where it landed fairly close to the car, so let's try that one more time. Let's bring it over. Okay, let's try it from right there. Straighten it up. Turn it around. I'm going to aim for the small tree. Go. And we're going to move the yaw to the left so we can follow the path. So all I'm doing is moving the yaw to the left. Drone is going straight. Move the yaw back. Let's try moving the yaw back and moving the drone up. Okay, let's stop right there. Let's bring the drone down. We'll do the same coming back. We'll go turn the device around. Turn the drone around. We're going to hit the white car. Go. And we're going to make sure we're going to go up and to the right. Up and to the right. And the drone should still be going straight. Up and to the right, up and to the right. Drone is still flying straight. Let's do a one full circle, up and right, up and right. And the drone is still flying straight, it's coming straight towards me. And we're going to stop it right there. And let's bring it down. So there you have it, a successful mission of the course lock, better known as Tap to Fly and Free, of the Mavic Air, the DJI Mavic Air. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next episode. Bye for now.